Nobody is happy in this country called a fake country, Nigeria. The set of people are eating the resources that belongs to everybody. We can never keep quiet when things have not changed. If we keep quiet, means that we are not sent by the Lord. We are businessmen, but we are businessmen in altar. We are not businessmen in altar. I'm on a mission. When I do my mission, I will leave this earth like my fellow prophet, Emmanuel TB Joshua. Nnamdi Kanu today, rise up for what our forefathers, Ojukwu, they cried for our freedom. In our resources, people are giving us money from our own resources, from our own property. People are selling our properties, touching us money from our property, and we are begging them to give us money in our own money. We are begging appointment in our own office. How many people of Igbo people is appointed as a minister? We can never forget our heroes. We can never forget our brothers who are out there fighting for our rights. Many of us today, everybody are going for their daily basic business. But there are people that die for your freedom. If not Nnamdi Kanu today, Igbo people can never be recognized at all by Nigeria. All these appointments you see, they give some of our brothers. It's because that Nnamdi Kanu lies. In Constitution, many years ago, one of the governors as a son, the Constitution that was written then, no Igbo man shall be a president or a vice president in Nigeria. It's a constitution. If the voice that God gives to us can never speak the truth, God will kill that person. If I refuse to utter the words that God said to me, the Lord will remove me in this altar. I am not sent by anybody. I am sent by the Lord Almighty. And to speak everything God tell me to speak. All that our fathers fight today, all that Ojukwu, nothing have ever changed. The greatest thing the government and everybody try to do, how can we bribe Nnamdi Kanu so that he will stop saying what he's saying? And Nnamdi Kanu refused to see, they have refused to see anybody anymore. If it's a business for the man that is for business, the business plan of him is already work. He will give his price, they will pay him, and he will go his